Today, we'll learn how to draw an octopus. Grab your art supplies so we can learn to draw together. We'll start by drawing the head, which looks like an upside-down U shape that curves around like this and stops right about here. Next, let's draw the eyes. We'll make a large circle here like this. Then, we'll draw 3 smaller circles inside for the highlights. We can do the same thing on the other side. Finally, we can color in each eye. Remember, you can pause the video at any time to draw at your own pace. Since I'm so happy I get to draw with you, I will give my octopus a smile. We can add that by drawing a curved line from here to there. Hello, Beep. It's nice seeing you. We're learning how to draw an octopus today. We're about to start drawing the arms. Do you know how many arms an octopus has? That's right, Beep. An octopus has 8 arms. I hear you, Beep. Drawing all 8 arms can feel overwhelming. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. When we feel this way, we can take a deep breath and say to ourselves, "First things first." First things first reminds us to take a breath and focus on just one thing at a time. Instead of worrying about all 8 octopus arms at once, we can think about them one at a time. How does that sound to you, Beep? That's great, Beep. Let's get back to our drawing. Okay, everyone. First things first. Let's draw arm number 1 starting here. We'll make a long curvy line like this. Arm number 2 starts here and will look a lot like the first arm we drew. Arm 3 can begin here. Remember, you can draw your 8 octopus arms any way you'd like. Arm 4 can go right here. You're right, Beep. We've drawn 4 arms already. Is the saying "first things first" helping you feel less overwhelmed? I'm glad it's helpful for you, Beep. Let's continue using first things first to draw 1 arm at a time until we have all 8. Let's draw arm 5 starting right here. Arm number 6 can start here and curve down and around like this. Let's draw arm number 7 here. And finally, we can draw arm number 8 to finish our octopus. You're right, Beep. Octopuses have suction cups on their arms that they use to taste, grip, and smell the food they eat. Let's draw those next. We can draw the suction cups by making small ovals like these along the inside of each arm. Here comes my favorite part. Let's color our octopus. I'm going to color my octopus purple. Feel free to choose a different color for yours. Did you know that an octopus can change their color? They can change their color to blend into their surroundings. I'm going to choose pink to color in each suction cup. Beep, would you use your magic to finish our octopus drawing? Incredible work, Beep. I'm grateful for your help today. Even though the idea of drawing all 8 octopus arms felt overwhelming, We use the saying first things first to remind ourselves to pause, take a breath, and focus on just one thing at a time. I enjoyed drawing with you today. See you soon!